licking your hand?
I think so.
She was licking my fingers before. It's just such a great feeling. Oh, reverse. Go the other way. You want to join in too? Go ahead.
Oh no, the rabbit is breaking.
They're both girls.
Yeah. Oh wait, she wanted a new part of the bridge.
Oh.
Wait, hold on, go back.
Help. Hey, rats. Hey, ratses. Hi, ratses.
What's the big yawn for?
Oh.
Big yawn.
And those are the other two that are staying with us.
My friends.
Oh no, there's rats everywhere. Hi, rat. Oh my gosh.
I got her. Don't.
They're amazingly good at hanging on.
They are.
Yawny
So
doggy
think of you know, rats like climbing up ropes to get on ships and all that stuff.
Yawny doggy breath.
Here, you want this one?
Hi.
Yes, you.
Have they met?
Hi. Hello. How are you doing?
No, they haven't. Round and around she goes.
Oh, so soft.
She's just chilling.
So soft.
Oh.
So, Oberlin has albino squirrels.
Oh,
They
nice.
have the same coloring as these days.
Yeah.
They're so funny looking. Although I have to say less funny looking after